Hi, today we set up the PrePrintService plugin for OctoPrint. This is a tool that automates the auto-orientation and slicing of STL files directly in OctoPrint. And here's how to use it. First, upload a model file in the STL or a FreeMF file format. Then just load it into the Slicer tab, which is available as plugin. And now we can select the PrePrintService as slicer, and we can select a slicing profile. Then we slice it, and after some seconds, we get back a modified version of the file, which ends with tweaked, and we can see that this file is printable. And for this orientation, we also get a G-code, which we can select, and we can view it in the G-code viewer. And here we have the brim, and we can see that this model should be printable. Therefore, we can print it. Now I'll show you how to set up the preprint service. First, go to plugins.octoprints.org and search for the preprint service. And here you can see an overview of the preprint service, and it consists of the plugin and the server process. The separation is useful because most of the OctoPrint services runs on a weak hardware like a Raspberry Pi, and the preprint service needs at least a little bit of power. To set this up, first go to your stronger hardware and clone the repository with submodules. Then go into the preprint service and make sure that you have Docker Compose installed and install it. And then a basic overview of a service should be available. This is here, and here you should test the setup. We can search our model like this and upload it. And then we can test the recommended extended auto orientation. Process and download, and we can see that it should work. Afterwards, we have to install the plugin. Therefore, we go in OctoPrint to the settings. We go to the plugin manager, and here under Get More, we can search for free plugins. And I can't find it in this option because it is already installed. First of all, the PrePrintService plugin, then the slicer, and optionally the G-code viewer. After they are installed, you can see another option here, the PrePrintService plugin option. Click on it, and then we have to provide two URLs. The first of it is the URL where the preprint service is available. This should be this one. Second, we have the OctoPrint URL. This is the URL of the service itself, therefore this one. And finally, we have to provide the API key of OctoPrint. This one is available under API, and it should be the global API key. Afterwards, we have some options, and I suggest the extended auto orientation, which minimizes the support volume. Additionally, we want to return and save the auto-rotated model because this enables us to view a new orientation of the model before we print it. And finally, we can upload and manage some profiles. And I recommend you to use the Slicer software and export some profiles that fit your needs. Then we save it. And now we should have, next to our STL files that we upload, those slicing symbols. And If you click on them, another model is loaded into the viewer. So I hope this plugin helps you, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it or this plugin is useful to you. Thank you.